Africa is falling apart. About 1/3 of Africa is being separated from Africa. Just like 10,000,000 years ago, India broke away from Africa and collided with today's Tibet. Now this piece of Africa is going to collide with India, and if this is going to happen, then the land here will be converted into high mountains. Lava will start gushing out in nearby places, and as time passes, this place will be covered with snow. But why is this happening to our Earth? Can't we stop this? After all, what is going to happen to our Earth in future? Our entire planet today is about the same as it was 450,000 years ago. Was covered with water. The Earth had only been formed for a few years, due to which lava was boiling beneath the water. With time, this lava started coming out in the form of a volcano, due to which land started forming in the form of small islands above the water, and after a few lakhs of years, millions of small islands had emerged all over the Earth, and now slowly gradually the upper surface of the Earth was cooling down, due to which cracks started forming in the Earth. And for this reason they started gathering at one place on small islands. This incident happened for many millions of years. These islands kept coming together and breaking apart many times, and after millions of years all this land came together in one place, which we know today as the continent. About 20,000,000 years ago, it started breaking again, and from the same vast continent, India, and the rest of India broke away from Australia and Africa and collided with the surface of today's Tibet. The collision was so fierce that due to it the land of Tibet shrank and the huge Himalayas arose where the collision took place. Even today the height of Mount Everest is falling because India's land is being transferred to Tibet. Today you know the country even to win. They used to be one millions of years ago. Gradually they got separated, and even today they are gradually getting separated every year, and the biggest example of this is the account of Africa, which is breaking into two parts. In 2005, the land from southwestern Kenya to the Nairobi-Nairobi highway cracked into two parts overnight, and the crack is growing by 6 to 7 millimeters every year. This place is the reason for Africa breaking away from here. This triangle-shaped pimple appears. 3 different types of land are found at this place, and due to the joining of the 3 plates of the Arabian Flat, the entire triangular part is formed due to the lava coming out from inside, due to which it is common for volcanoes to erupt here for thousands of years. The people living here consider this place as their place of residence, which does not know whether the place itself will remain in the future or not, because due to this type of construction from the volcano and due to the volcanic eruption for thousands of years, the land here it is thin and hollow. Due to frequent volcanic eruptions, earthquakes are common here. And this is the reason why the land here is breaking. In the future, if the rift increases, water will start filling here, and this entire area will be filled with water, and due to this, the speed of disintegration of Africa will increase. The geologists who discovered this place have already warned the governments of the countries located here. Due to this, there is a danger to our Earth that due to the increase in cracks, volcanoes and toxic gases will be released. According to geologist Livermore, our plate will collide with the western part of India in the future, and here India means present-day Pakistan, and here I am talking about India colliding with today's India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. So what will happen when the Somali plate collides with India? If the Somali plate collides with India at the same speed with which India collided with Tibet, then some cities and states will be destroyed. Its immediate and maximum impact will be visible in Mumbai, India. Seashores will start rising year after year, and earthquakes will become common. With time volcanoes started erupting. Gradually Somali Pet would have come in contact with Kerala and Sri Lanka from Goa. All the seashores from Dwarka to Somnath and Karachi of Pakistan are side by side. They will start turning into mountains, and huge mountains will stand here, due to which the weather here will start getting cold and snow will start falling here too, like Kashmir. Due to melting of snow, many rivers will start flowing in the surrounding areas, and the surrounding areas will start turning into dense forests. South India will become crooked due to conflict. By that time, a large part of today's Nepal and Bhutan would have gone into the Himalayas. By this time, not only India but the entire world would have changed. All the land on Earth would have gathered in one place. And because of this, the environment of most of today's countries would have changed. The whole of today's Asia would have moved further north, due to which today's dense forests and deserts would have been transformed, and today's deserts would have transformed into dense forests. So people living in Dubai and Saudi Arabia should not start dancing after watching this video. Because even if this happens in the Earth's future, it will take many years for Africa to collide with India and the entire Earth's landmass to come together in one place. By then, thousands of generations coming after you will have passed. It is possible that by then we may have become a highly developed species and may have started living on planets other than Earth. Roy's theory of Africa breaking and colliding with India was given in 1990. After which many other geologists have also made another theory according to which the Somali plate will not collide with India. But most geologists believe that the Earth's upper surface will be connected to each other again, and after millions of years from now, our Earth will look similar in all four. But will we humans survive to see it, or will life be able to flourish or evolve on a future Earth? This is a big question which we humans have to answer together.